In this video, we'll be explaining how poor posture affects the entire body. For those of you out there dealing with Eustachian Tube Dysfunction, just imagine all the pain you're going through. Your symptoms are all over the place simply because you are dealing with inflammation in many parts of the body, and a lot of it has to do with poor posture. Stick around. It comes at no surprise that many of us slouch. With the pandemic and the work-at-home situations, we're doing it even more. I have been saying for many years that a lot of our problems are definitely related to our posture. We don't realize it because it becomes something we do very naturally, and we haven't been corrected on the fact that we're slouching, and we're doing this for 8+ hours a day. It is going to cause an array of issues, and you're going to wonder, where did most of my symptoms come from? Well, most of those symptoms come from slouching. We are putting so much strain on our entire body that when we start to develop symptoms, we tend to not think that the fact we are slouching so much. After so much time doing that, I can imagine that you're feeling the pain by now. When someone says sit up straight, it could be a joke, but they're also helping you as well. Do you know just slouching over is going to incredibly affect the neck and shoulder, giving it strain and back pain and even joint damage? You may dismiss the discomfort for a while, but it's your body's way of getting your attention. Here's an example for you. Think of it if you went to the gym and did strenuous leg exercises for 3 to 5 days a week. Your legs will feel overworked and sore. Well, sitting at the desk every day can bring about the similar results. Poor posture forces you to overwork the muscles in your neck and back. Your immune system's efforts to heal those muscles spur inflammation that over time can lead to arthritis in your nearby joints. In 2014, a study was done called text neck, also called tech neck, a problem caused by constantly looking down at our phones and tablets. It was found that when you hold your head in line with your shoulder, it only weighs about 10 pounds. Wow. But for every inch you tilt it forward, the amount of weight it places on your spine nearly doubles. Now, how does this relate to ETD? Well, just like I explained, the head is about 10 to 12 pounds. That's an incredible amount of strain you put down, and your Eustachian Tube Dysfunction is going to get impacted. There is no doubt. You're putting strain on your neck, your lower back, and your shoulders, and while doing so, you're actually increasing the amount of inflammation in those areas. Inflammation leads to further problems lead to longevity, and now you're in a situation where it's chronic and you're dealing with that issue now, and you're almost blaming everything else but posture. And to make matters worse, when you go and see an ENT professional, posture is rarely discussed about. It's often dismissed as allergies or you're in the wrong environment, put you on a medication, and then you're off wondering, when is this going to end? You start getting symptoms day in and day out, and now it's something that maybe the medication is giving you. And this is why I'm bringing awareness to Eustachian Tube Dysfunction. It's something I had to live with for 3 years. It's a terrible condition that is dismissed by many. It needs to get taken under control. We need to start fixing the well, not the sink. So if you feel like this is you, I would love to hear your comments. I ask you all to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest, greatest health and wellness videos, motivation, yoga, and meditation. But before I let you go, I'd like to leave you with one thing. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well is living well. Take care, everybody. Talk to you soon.